So, how it sound there, Anna?
Oh, it was really good, man. Really good. You sound like what I got the name again? Mozart. I feel like you're really going to win the competition there.
Well, after my mother gonna be really vexed with me. But I'm glad you like it though.
Yeah, man, I really do. So, where you want to go for eat later? I was thinking maybe we'll get some
Nah
poutine.
man, I'm good. I don't want none of that. Maybe something more healthy. So really I go on with you, eh? You always a text on your phone. Now who you talk to?
Oh, I was talking to Junior. Him that asked me if I want to come to my family dinner this Sunday. So I can meet some of my other relatives then. I can't wait.
So you feel like say it alright for you figure your ex yard and go meet him family. You not see no problem with that. Now tell me now, what if I me do the same thing like that? Eh? Be real with me there, Anna. You and a boy wanna do things with each other.
This again, Louis. I'm not doing nothing with Junior. Me and Junior is just friends, alright? I'ma tell you already say my mother pregnant basically about our siblings, so it's not like say him gonna just come out of my life. So what you have to pre think so hard for?
Oh, excuse me. Me enough a priest say you and your ex I get really close again. Alright. May I eat that? Okay. Alright. Me sit down and me play the man you made for you. Me go get something for eat. Alright? I'm go burn a spliff.
Always drama. All the time. Holy Keenan, you're so boring, dog. Like, talk about something else. I'm tired.
So Mel, yo, you need to relax, fam. What you want me to do? What you want me to talk about? Like, what's wrong with you, Cheyenne? Like, you need easy, easy that.
Stop calling me Cheyenne, waste you. Hi, I'm Nadia. You're Lois, right?
Yeah, man. I'm Lois. What going with you?
Just, I'm just here still. I was wondering, do you wanna, do you have some weed you can, like, we can bun a spliff? I have some grabber too if you want some.
Alright, sure, me no mind. You sure you can manage my weed?
Yeah, look at these pictures I took in Grenada with my family. You see how that spliff is big?
Yeah, so you move. You bad man. Alright, we can bun. I'm just gonna lock a feet, alright? Rosita, your mom was calling. Why have wire? You know, if you talk to her and thing, I mean, she seemed like a nice lady. Maybe you can invite her over and we can get to meet her and the rest of your family. I mean, have you meet any of them yet? Walk on with you. Why no one talk about your family or anything? You can tell me if something wrong. Trust me, Rosita, I won't tell a soul.
Me and my mom, we're not exactly on speaking terms because she doesn't want to admit what he did to me.
What? Who did to you? Come on, Rosita, you can tell me. What happened?
My dad, he used to come in my room every night. And she knows what happened, but she acts like it didn't.
Listen, don't worry about anything, alright? Me there for you. Look, why don't me and you go get go bed and we'll go up on the road go buy some to eat. My treat, alright?
Oh, really? Can we go to Chef Le Bleu? You know that's my favorite restaurant, Anthony. I love you, Anthony. Mwah.
Alright, go and go bed, go put on something sexy and we'll go outside. Alright? Make sure you put on the nice, sexy dress that we like. Remember?
Oh, the one with the cut at the back? Oh, I'll definitely put that on for you, Anthony. Whatever makes you happy. I love seeing you smile. It makes my day great.
See, now you're happy again.
As long as you're in my life, I'll always be happy. Anthony, I love you. I think we were made for each other. Don't you think?
Adam, did you find the house that you were telling me about, the 6 bedroom? I mean, you've been so busy all day. I was wondering what you was doing.
Honey, I already purchased that house. You don't worry your pretty little head about anything.
Oh, really? So, when exactly are we going to move into the house? I was just wondering because I haven't tell Diana and Olivia yet.
Just wait a little bit longer. I want to furnish the place first, then you can tell them. You worry too much, my love. Now come here, let me feel the baby. Oh, he's gonna be such a strong boy. Feel that kick, oh my god.
Make sure you're taking your medication, Adam, okay?
I am. Don't worry about a thing, Octavia. I got everything under control.
Sorry, Anthony. I've been kind of busy. My boyfriend act the most way and I didn't have time to text you back. But
Not cool enough. I just wanna know if the baby alright.
yeah,
Really? Then that's no problem, right? I mean, everything good with him. I just wanna know because it been bothering me all day. Swear from you, tell me that text to say you need food. So come see me, me have to drop all my plans them today.
well, look why you are worried. You stay just like Adam. I mean, it's crazy. The baby have two father who care about him. And me don't even have one.
You can't say that, Diana. Me always see myself like me and your father. I mean, raise you, basically.
Yeah, but my mother lie and say you was my father. I mean, me know. Antonisha used to always tell me about it.
Yeah, man. That funny. Whole history repeat itself again. But this time I'm my baby.
Mommy is such a whore. I mean, she gave out Jackie like it's a clothes store anyways, so this is not really surprising.
Listen, Diana. I know you and your mother don't really get along. I may understand the reasons. But one day me make you kinda understand why she still the way she still, alright?
Great, can't wait for you to tell me about it.
Trust me, you get more of an understanding about it. Maybe the two of you will start get along in the future. Anything possible in the day, Anna. Trust me.
I understand what you say, but my mother is a completely different person from most people. I don't know if me and her will ever really be friends or even close.
Trust me, Octavia, special.
Yeah, man, she really special, especially at 9. Really annoying. Hold on there. Sorry, Louis. I just talk to Junior father about some things. Well, go on. Why you face look so?
I realize ever since they come back, me and you we can't even match the same way no more.
What that's supposed to mean? Wait exactly you imply, Louis?
No bother with it, alright? Let's see what I want. I must take man for you that, eh?
Louis, big man thing. We're not on the time for you to argue with you no more, okay? Everything have to be a fight with you. I'm really not in a mood for it.
You know funny boy you? You sit down and you chat all them foolishness about your mother, but guess what? You stay just like her. You and her see him to war.
So Lois, do you have the spliff? Anthony, you're back from your jogging? How was it?
I'm gonna eat good man, you know. I shooting you, I feel more energized.
I told you you'd feel better if you started working out. I have a surprise for you. I want to tell you.
So, what a surprise. Why you make you smile so?
Wait for it. Anthony, I want you to know that.
No, what?
I'm going to have your baby, Anthony.
Yeah? That's really good news, man. I'm happy. I'm really excited about it. Make we celebrate.
What's wrong with you? I thought me and you would go. The old still go buy some stuff. Why there, Sir Anthony? What happened? Your mother didn't answer your calls?
She said she not. She should not. She should not come back for me. She not bring me to Canada with her.
Listen, don't be vexed. Beer said Canada get really cold, so you don't want it so. Plus, you have me here, right? The two of we have each other. Don't worry about it.
I don't understand why them no. Why would them leave me down here? Like that no fear.
Anthony, them may not know why you, but me want you here, right? And me happy say you did down here with me cause you're my best friend and me care about you. So if them know why you at Canada, that no matter. Cause me and you are Jamaica together.
You really mean that, Octavia?
Of course we mean it. I mean, I feel like you're the only person who care about me too. So no matter what happen, the two of we always are gonna have each other. I feel like in some way we're really connected. Like we have a really special bond. Anthony.